Hello guys, now I will compare Yuneec Breeze drone with DJI Air drone on this field in outside of Novi Sad, but near to Novi Sad. I will compare this cheaper drone with the more expensive drone. Both are consumer drones and both are intended for consumers, for beginners. I will start with Yuneec Breeze drone, do a short review and record a test video with Yuneec Breeze drone. Then I will also show some basic aspects of DJI Mavic Air drone and do a test video with DJI Mavic Air drone, so to compare these two drones. This is Breeze drone, Yuneec Breeze drone. It has good camera, 4K, but it does not have a gimbal, as you can see. Just up and down. Propellers are separated, not as DJI's. It has two sensors on the bottom and no on back, no on front, just two for landing. As you can see, drone is stable, but the picture is not stable enough, and the connection is by Wi-Fi through my phone. It's easy to use. This is up and forward, but as you can see, it's really unstable. There are also some trails on the mobile. For example, as you can see, the picture is not... now it's clear. So basically the connection is weak. As you can see, the video footage is okay, the colors are good, visibility is also nice, but the problem is with video stability. This is DJI Air drone. As you can see, it has 4K but with gimbal stabilization, propellers, and is a bit smaller than Yuneec Breeze. It has motors that provide ventilation, better battery, and we will try now the quality and compare the footage with the Yuneec Breeze drone. It has also better controller connected with Wi-Fi also, but direct Wi-Fi with the DJI Mavic for Air. So let's start.
Take off.
As you can see, it's much more stable and faster. And the picture is, and transmission is much better, as you can see. As you can see from this unedited, actually raw video taken directly from DJI Mavic Air drone, colors are better, depth is better, also contrast is better, visibility is better, and so on. The picture quality is in general much better than on Yuneec Breeze drone. It's understandable as DJI Mavic Air is actually 3 times more expensive than Yuneec Breeze drone. So the main difference between these two videos is actually video stability. DJI Mavic Air has gimbal stabilization and it is visible on this video footage as any movement, any sharp movement that I tried with this drone is actually reduced by these gimbals. So thumb up for DJI Mavic Air. Thank you for watching. Keep track for more videos soon. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe down below.